don't like dark houses. She don't like turn us on house. She don't like them.
Hey, it's day. It's night. Okay, it's day.
I turn off the lights بعدين she turn it on.
لا حد بدي بقوله هذا it's day. It's not right. It's day. I don't like dark women, but it's day. It's not right.
I turn off the lights, she turn it back on.
Good morning. I think it stopped now the rain. Ayan, wala nang wind. Naku, kagabi sobrang lakas ng ulan and wind. Rooster, andito siya ngayon, New Year Day. Naglilinis siya. Mafi in the, I think it's in the room. No?
Happy New Year, everybody.
He was sick.
Yeah.
Yalla, put na your hayda pajama ay your pantalon. Why you wearing short kamena? Ay nako, ganito pag ground floor, pag rainy season, hindi siya okay. Dapat linisin. Yalla, kala sala it will dirty again. You need to make big on summer, Han. You need to open here, so not every time we
Many holes.
not every time. No, even one here. Lano here it's too high. Thank God, huminto na ang hangin. Grabe kagabi. Kahapon. Lakas ng hangin. Yala, close the door.
Again?
Yeah, because I will harvest. We harvest.
Harvest what?
Lemon. Mag-harvest tayo ng lemon. Dito sa kabila dahil hinog na sila. Ay, naku, yung mga tanim kong guys, na bagyo. Tumumba. Oh, may mushroom. Pero hindi ko yan gagalawin. I-try natin, ipa-check muna kay Sis Yuki. Kuha tayo ng lemon dito. Siya.
No, I'm looking at about the black parts, so we cut them before they kill it.
Yeah, I think it's good now.
See about small parts, small parts. هذا هو الشوط.
So, it's not enough. Be careful you slide. Ayan, ang lalaki nila dito. Oh. You see? Since I cut the echidae niya, they are good now. Oh. No, but then we cannot reach anyway. So, when they grow, they will become more healthy. Yan. Dami. Ang lalaki na. Getting bigger. All yan you will take?
No, the small one, no. The small one, nobody will dare to.
We come in there, Han.
The dogs will bark and.
Hi, Dad. No, up. You see?
Right.
Honik, no?
هذا في كم وحدة فيهم 1 2
بيبيلا.
I want to count. لأن في some people they don't understand like this. They need to be.
You know, if it's clean here, it's very nice.
Yeah.
Then, hi, the honey but then we cannot catch. Hi, Dolly, the tree for be careful, because even though, be careful. Be careful. But then in front of you come and feed too. Hide next to the steel. Hide in your hands. Hide Dolly. Not yet. It will fall. We cannot catch when they fall yani. Yeah, enough for tabbouleh today. Ayan, oh, lemon, oh. Season ng lemon. You see, they are falling, even they are small. The wind, let's go. Tignan niyo yung mga ano ko guys, oh. Mga potato ko, natumba na. Babangon yan pag mag-araw siya. Ano, dahil na yung kamoteng kahoy. Yan from Philippines. Root crops. Like potato.
Okay.
From Philippines yan. Yes. Oh, very quiet today. Kids, mag-barbecue tayo. Kian, take haydahan Dami naming damit guys, o nakahang dahil sa
You must make it first.
naglaba ako.
هلا it's getting destroyed.
Ayan, okay, take it mama.
Where you put the...
I put where?
In the majla, habibi.
Okay. One is like this.
Ayan.
That's it.
Yes, yes. Naghahanda tayo dito ng food, lunch. Barbecue tayo guys. Barbecue. May chicken, may beef. Yun. So, ang gagawin ko, dalawang stick. May nakita ako sa YouTube. Dalawang stick ang ginamit sa chicken para pag i-turn siya, hindi equal yung pagkaluto ba. Ganyan, dalawa ang gagamitin. Ganyan. So, maglagay tayo dito ng kahit tatlong chicken sa dalawang stick. So, it's equal to cook.
هذا شو هذا؟ رواق or chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Like this. Egg. You put like that. To stick.
Yeah, I know, but it will...
It will show.
it will take time. هذا.
You will cook first this
You
one.
make لحمة وكفتة. You make chicken كمان؟
So,
يا أخي مش...
it's okay. We eat in tomorrow.
in the morning?
Not tomorrow. Ayan, prepare na po tayo. Oh, mahangin na raining.
Huh? It's very nice.
It's cold.
Cold sacre, baby.
Hey, the basket full of Kian. Nee, the hand.
So,
The curtain, look.
huh?
The curtain. It's
ما
moving.
في لا it's not again.
Huh?
ماشي أنا small wind هنا شوف هذا ماشي.
Barbecue chicken. Wow, it's nice. Really, the charcoal, you see? Wow. Maganda yung quality.
Which one? The second one, I think.
Gusto ko
I think.
Be careful, be careful.
يلا كيف؟
Hey, that girl.
إيه.
Ay.
Look.
I have water and then I.
One third. Water 2/3. Yeah.
Ay,
Ice.
mix na the tabule.
يلا إيه. Ice baby. راح يخلص اللحمة.
Give me that circle. Show me.
Tabule ni Mami Lola.
I like it. Oh.
Olive oil. Yan, be careful your hair.
I will
Yan.
magic
Yeah.
in the face of it now. No, you don't need. No.
Yeah, Haida, it will hold the hair. It's not my fault. Yeah. If it's for your hair, it's not me.
Gracias, ma'am.
My hair don't hold. Use I don't use.
Okay. I used it, I didn't
I
fit.
don't like cold water.
I didn't use, I used, I didn't fit, and I'm sorry.
One for use.
You used, I didn't fit.
You want spoon or fork?
One. One for you. And three for daddy.
No, I want two.
For you.
But
Something. Anna, I have my own salad. La.
It seems. It shows.
When I'm happy, I'm happy. Bala.
look, it's here.
Plug it in. You didn't plug. خليهم هلا نشوف هلا بنشيل شيشان بنشيل فيهم كفته لانه هيك ما في ما هذا فوق اكسبورد تشيكن يلا عادي
No, it's burn na, huh?
wait.
It's black na. I want the chicken.
I like burnt.
Let's eat, guys. Where is my salad? Ito po ang aking salad, guys. O parsley, binoil ko siya. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng sauce. Kalamansi ay lemons. And then yung patis. Salad ko.
Remove the meat. Plug to 3 كفته
I want the chicken.
يلا هلا the chicken it's gonna be late هلا to be done ايه لانه عم بعمل كفته باللحمه قبل ما يوقف الشرطون
I will cook that. No problem. I will put it away. Ganda ko. Kain ba tayo, guys?
Yeah.
It's cheap. I heard the lamb. It's very good.
Yeah. But I want mine more cooked. You're cooking rice, but it's a buffalo.
يلا
It's not bad. Very good. Not in the bowl. Wait.
It's mine.
take what you
This
want
one.
يلا شيء which one انا بيتو على حالي هذه بيت يلا كيان it's soft
Yeah.
I don't know لأنه first time we drink from him
Yeah,
he knew
good.
me he knows يعني he don't want to mess with me but let's see ما حطيت ملح و
No, I put already mala inside. I
Come on.
marinate at night. You want more?
كمون
Come on.
ها
It tastes already, man. I marinate the man. I put salt, peppers, and vinegar. But it's good. Tasty. I put too much vinegar. Ganito po ang barbecue ng Lebanon. Ito po ay baka, cow meat. Mama, eat habibi. It's hot naman po. Eat meat. It's good for you. You like chicken. Ay, the cowhan or
Cow.
maybe mistake we put.
In Lebanese they call it kastana in English we don't know هلا we will search for
Castana, I
them
think. Chestnut.
chestnut ما بعرف
Yes, chestnut. Ayan, may charcoal pa siya. So, masarap ito with red wine.
هيك it's يعني it's like toasted
Very healthy. Ganitong season lang siya maglabas sa Christmas. Aida, you think it's cooked?
Yeah, even the half. Huh? Good. They open from the heat, you know.
No, I opened them, Han. I cut in the middle. Masarap ito kasi sa charcoal siya naluto. Usually they put in oven. Hala, we benefit in the charcoal,
Charcoal,
yan
yeah.
And it's better yan. Hayda, the big one. It's cooked. Hayda. Or lala, need more. Hayda, big. Oh. Mahal din ito. Pag season niya. Hayda, the import? Or
في Egyptian, في Turkish, وفي here.
in Lebanon?
Yeah, بس you have to see. يعني each one in time, you know. They are not all together at the same time. The Turkish is not tasty too much.
Mayda, keep it. Keep it. Oh. No more. Hayda, Han. The black one. The two. Together. It's cooked. Hayda, not yet. Yala, finish. Hayda, good.
خليها هون شوي.
Yan. Mamaya, anuhin ko. Nag-i-snow. Oh, nag-i-snow, guys. Hailstorm. May hailstorm. Tignan nyo doon sa Harissa. Oh.
You don't see,
Look.
cannot see. هلا. It
My
will be
hair.
low. It will be low the snow tonight. When it
May
goes like
ice siya. Maliliit.
this, it's due to cold.
Tignan nyo, oh. Sa
It will be
balcon.
low, yeah, it will be low.
Malamig.
بس نسكر على الدوجز بالدور حرام. Rain.
Rain, go away. And I don't like cold. Hello guys, prepare po tayo ng snack dito. Meron pa tayong mga prutas dito guys. Yan. Grapes, strawberry at saka blackberry. Yan. So ito ang ilagay natin ang merienda.
هان
Hello!
هلا they were calling there.
Hi! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year.
Who's that?
ng bell.
Hello. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year. Same to ako.
Where is Inang and Tatang?
Where's Bella?
His eyes.
Sleeping.
She's
Huh?
sleeping already. What time na?
It's night there.
Okay.
All right.
At hindi ko.
Eat Haydahan. I bought yesterday. Blackberry. Sure. Not you. I said Han.
Huh?
Okay, either way, I'm not eating it.
Come eat the strawberry.
Ako ba nag-is pa lang kasi?
Winter. In Ghana, March. Guys, start na Belty
Winter. It's
winter.
cold. It's just winter.
Winter, napakalamig. Wala,
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Dito lang kami sa bahay kasi umuulan. Close naman ang mga ayaw ng kuya mo na lalabas kami dahil...
Ay, dyan si Kuya.
Oo, kagabi wala siya. Kami lang ng mga bata. Nagsimba kami. Prutas.
أبو لي
Tiyak
داون
niya po.
Ha?
حطيها بالبراد هلا تسحب
It's cold now, ha?
بعد شوي
I want to feed the cat.
هلا
Eh, take it.
Asan si Kuya?
Oh,
Hello
Hi Kuya, Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year too
Hello po, magandang gabi. Gabi na po sa Lebanon. So, si Mr. nag-as po siya ng wine. Red wine po ang iinumin namin ni Mr. Naano ko na din yung kasta na. Nabuksan ko na siya. Yan. Nung kanina kausap ko yung pamilya ko sa Philippines. Habang kausap ko, ino-open ko siya. So, malamig po dito sa Lebanon, guys. Sobrang lamig. Nanunuot yung lamig. Ay, ayaw ko ang winter. Nakakabagno. Hanggang bukas daw, sabi ni Mr. Malamig. Kaya dito lang kami sa bahay. Ngayong New Year Day. Bukas may work na naman po siya. Ganun po ang schedule ng Mr. ko. Kahit may special holiday ba, hindi siya off. So, sabi niya, open ka ng wines. Inom tayo, sabi niya. Eh, Mister, okay lang yan. No problem. Hindi po siya stricto. Yan. Maganda kasi ang red wine. Good for the health po. Pati yung whiskey, maganda po sa ating katawan. Ito, ilang alcohol ba ito? Chatu Kefraya. Tama ba yung pagbigkas ko? Made in Lebanon ito, 2017. So, inom po tayo, guys. Pampainit ba sa malamig na panahon? Ay, sobrang lamig, guys. Yes! Come here now. Come take the, ito. I put already. Wala, sa lapag lang po kami dahil nga wala pa po tayong table. Yala, come. Yala, Han. Here, dito po tayo sa ating, mga bata dito sila. Upo tayo dito.
What is this?
Kasta na.
جيبي لنا ناتس هذا كيكيتا لا ما فهم يعني something تتصور مامي وين
Mommy is a drinker, don't worry.
درينكر
I'm a drinker.
عادي على الارض على هنا كيان you're not drinking with ماما ديك يا ماما لانه انا بعد شوي ماما حتسد هيدا على الارض
Mommy, don't lay that in the sofa. The sofa. You can stop.
I can't see you. Di? Run out, guys. Run out. So what the...
And the kahraba. You need to remove the head.
Pump water. I just know that water run out po. Sir, hala, run out po sa Lebanon.
هلا ايش بتعمل؟
Then it's gone again. 30 minutes bus. One.
هلا you don't do it like this
What then?
عمره
لا لأنه
مش نايس هيك you cut it 4 pieces you keep it open and remove from the cover
What did Mishai Hayek say yesterday?
Mama.
I heard yesterday he said the dollar hayimsal. What dollar? And I heard.
It's gonna go down?
That's what he said.
Oh, nice.
Yumkin I heard wrong, but he said dollar.
نازلة الخزانة على اليمين في علبة حليب برد كبايات من المشكل ظبطتك بدروني صيصر حالك جدي وقت
Usually they repeat.
عجبك بيت
They run.
مساء الخير اهلا اوقات بالحياة اخذ قرارات كتير
هذا now he is شو اسمه No, he is producer, director.
I know, and the Passion of the Christ is the one who made.
Cheers.
Hello, my name is Tom Crane. And I've obviously my daughter's phone, right? I met this phone.
He is a policeman. Investigate, they will know. They will eat.
Like you had this, or I thought you had ideas.
After he revenge,
You'll know that won't be anyone else but him, his father.
You get the drink is already high. I cannot drink you. You must come to me. Red wine.
no, I watched that before. After he revenged on Heike, they poisoned him. مش poisoned him. بلا يعني هيك في nuclear or something. He was.
Doesn't smell good.
I'm sure I cannot imagine its full definition.
Where do you get the customer?
No.
I've taken up enough of your time.